Emergency service call. Water pipe broke and flooding the basement. What's going on, folks? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Saturday evening, October 25th, 7 p.m. Heading to an emergency service call. We have an existing client. Haven't been there in years. Let's go get him up and running. Don't go this way.
Just minding my own business.
Do you know that the plastic water lines that go to a ice maker are the #1 insurance claims for water loss in properties, residential properties?
I'm sure they are because
It's right there. You have a saddle valve
okay.
on a 1/2-inch water line on the other side of this doorway.
Okay.
We need to get in there.
All right, just
Yeah, about 15 years ago I could squeeze through there. Not anymore. Can you okay. Well, hopefully this works.
Esther!
I'm still turning it. Well, now it's off.
Esther! Look in the kitchen and see if the water went off.
Folks, I did a price adjustment. It's company policy not to discuss pricing, but you probably saw what the emergency charge was to head out to a customer's home on a Saturday night. Let's just say I took off a few bucks. And I secured the service call for one of my guys during the week, scheduled it already, to replace that plastic ice maker line with copper and put in a real valve. And we'll cut in a T, cut out that saddle valve, and make it proper. If you live in the Long Island area and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your plumber, pick up the phone, give me a call, 516-348-6300. Or save time, book online at pipedoc.net. Catch you in the next one.